mơ dọa đây đi ba mà tên phá kia hậu dân là người đi bao khá ra ya chê chê lê lòng chỗ gặp ta mà solo gì có baby bà Yo, what's up, everybody? Here, he's my bro, my brother, and he's sharpening the lawnmower blade. I mean brush cutter, and he also do smoking because he knows smoking is good for healthy. Yeah, as you see, he's sharpening the brush cutter blade. In order to go back to the garden for cleaning the garden because it's a rainy season, and as you know, the people in southern Myanmar, most of the people are doing farming or gardening, and it's time to clean the garden in the rainy season to cultivate new plants in the garden. As with the ordinary people, we do gardening for living. Yeah. For living. And yeah, one of the fruit that we provided in our region is called Bethel-nut. Bethel-nut or Areca nut. That is the main fruit that we provided in our region. The fruit we started to the local market, and also from local market to the city, and then we exported to India. And I don't know what they do with that fruit. And we also killed the Bethel-nuts. My bro, he has translated in my language and Korean language. He said that we export the fruit, we export the fruit to India. And my bro is sharpening the blade, and I already done it. Since heat hasn't arrived at Paris house, here blade. It's called brush cutter blade. The machine is already in the garden because in the morning we went to the garden and we already done the morning walk, and it's time for the evening back into the garden for cleaning it. And as you see, my bro is preparing to go back to the garden. He's almost done sharpening his blade, I think. And see you in the garden, okay? Now I gotta make some coffee here, which is called Rich. My mom gave me, which is called Rich. Coffee, the brand name is Rich. Yeah, as you see, that is ready-made. It's not really good for healthy, but it's okay. No matter what, I gotta drink it. Here's the water. Water, warm water, hot water. I don't know how to call it. Anyway, I gotta mix it. Okay. And I gotta show you how to make it. Okay, I gotta show you my mom. She's my mom. She's kind of camera shy, and it's called me. There is my sister-in-law and with my nephew. Bright, my little nephew, his name is Bright Star. Oh, Bright. Wow. His face is kind of scratched because he fall down on the house. That's why his face is kind of scratched. This is my dog, as you see. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, pour the coffee into the hot water, and then okay, it's all. So I gotta miss it. Okay, it's done. It's gone. It's gone. Nothing at all. Already dragons. Already dragons. Okay. Sorry for my grammar. Grammatically it might be wrong. I mean my speech, because I don't really speak English, but I know little words. Okay. There is my dogs. You see behind me. She's sleeping, I think. In my country, I mean in my region, we normally smoke this one, which is called Shui Dong Bia. In Myanmar language, as I'm from Myanmar, but Myanmar is not my mother tongue, my mother language. It's not my mother tongue, my mother tongue. The brand name is Shui Dong Bia. Ada mau gue mày mua cả, ôi ôi, lên là không, chả, về, yeah, okay, let me show you. This one is my brother's smoke, and also this one. That's why I told him that, are you doing two smoke at a time? And he said no. Kind of crazy, but ding. I told you my brother that being the video creator is better. Be person can joke people, like to entertain the people. You better be good at joking or designing something. I'm not good at joking or making people funny. Yeah, actually I'm making a video for my YouTube channel. The subscriber is about 769. And the watch hour is already reach out. Anyway, I need more like 300 and 229. Yeah, I need more subscriber. 229. 229. No, yeah, 229. So yeah, go show some love to my channel by subscribing, or please don't forget to subscribe to my channel in order to reach out the subscription for watch hours. It's already reached out, so don't worry about it. Anyway, I just need little more subscriber to reach out. Yeah, 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, when I speak in English, and my brother, he told me that, wow, you said that. Are you saying that your subscriber is already reached out? Sure, I said. Okay, even though he don't speak English, but he kind of pretty understand what I'm saying. I'm kind of tired making the YouTube videos. It's been like almost a year, but the subscriber is not reaching out. Yeah, that's why I'm kind of sick of making the video, and almost giving up on my work. Yeah, but I need a little more effort to make videos and upload the video regularly. Being consistency is more important. I know, but it's kind of tired because in rainy season it's definitely hard to make the video outside, because I'm just making the video with my smartphone, not using any action camera or GoPro. Anyway, I won't give up. I need to keep moving on to my destination. No pain, no gain. As Creole said, never say never. And I beg you for my video quality, because I'm just capturing the video with my smartphone, and also it's cost lot of internet data to upload the videos. Yes, that's why there is low quality in my video. You will definitely see that. And also in the rainy season, as I mentioned before, it's pretty hard to make the video outside because of the rain. My phone cannot get wet anyway. That's why I cover my phone with plastic bag, and that's why my videos are kind of blurred, as you see in my video page called A Garden Way. Đây là vlog rồi, buổi chiều của tôi là cái đó. When I talk to you guys in English, then my brother he is repeating after me in my language, Korean, which is called Korean language, and I told him that don't imitate me. I'm kind of shy. Oh no, not in that way. Not in that way. Okay. I'm asking my brother, don't you finish yet? I'm tired of waiting for you and capturing the videos, talking in English, even though I don't speak pretty English. My English might be broken English with the wrong grammatical, but I hope you guys will understand me anyway. Okay, so I will show you guys when we start going to the yeah.